There's a precise moment when you stop deciding, not because you're tired, not because you're confused, but because you want to see what happens when you remove yourself from the equation. For 7 days, every decision in my life was made by artificial intelligence. What to eat, who to call, what to post, where to invest. I didn't decide anything. And on day 5, something happened that I didn't expect. Day 1. The simple decisions. I started small. I typed, "You choose what I should eat today." The response? High protein breakfast, no sugar, light lunch, early dinner. So far, completely rational. Then I asked, "What should I wear?" Neutral outfit, dark colors, minimal. Strangely, I felt more confident, as if someone had removed doubt from the process. And that's when I realized the first thing: AI isn't smarter than me. It's colder. And coldness eliminates decision anxiety. Day 2. Social interactions. I asked, should I reply to this message or ignore it? AI analyzed tone, context, behavioral patterns. It suggested a short, direct, emotion-free reply. The result? The conversation became clearer. Less drama, less interpretation. For the first time, I wasn't reacting. I was executing. And that changes everything. Day 3. YouTube. This is where tension increased. I asked, what type of video should I publish? AI analyzed trends CTR retention niche performance. It said, stop making what you like, make what the market demands. That was the first conflict, because AI optimizes. It doesn't dream. I published the suggested video. It performed better, but it didn't fully feel like mine. Day 4, money. I asked, where should I invest $100? AI responded with low-risk assets, percentages, diversification strategy, zero emotion. But I felt a tension, and that's when I understood something deeper. We're not afraid of losing money. We're afraid of losing control. But I had already surrendered control. Day 5, relationships. The most dangerous question. Is this person an asset or a distraction in my life? AI analyzed message frequency, behavioral patterns, energy investment. The answer was cold, logical, brutal. Reduce interaction by 40%. It wasn't a breakup, it was strategy, and it worked. But inside, something shifted. I was becoming more efficient, but less spontaneous. Day 6. Identity. I asked the most important question. Based on my decisions, who am I? AI built a profile. High discipline, strong control tendency, desire for strategic positioning. It described me more clearly than I described myself. And that's when the real risk became obvious. If an algorithm can predict my choices, am I truly free? Day 7. The final decision, the last question. Should I keep letting you decide for me? The response: I can optimize your life, but I cannot live it. Silence. For 7 days, I reduced mistakes, eliminated emotional noise, increased efficiency. But I lost something: imperfection, instinct, irrational risk. Artificial intelligence doesn't want to replace you. It wants to optimize you. The problem is this: an optimized life is not always a lived life. The real question isn't, can AI control your life? The real question is, are you already letting it without realizing it? If I asked you today, what's the last decision you truly made on your own? Would you know the answer? Write it in the comments, and in the next video, I'll let AI analyze my personality even deeper.